having fun in the hobby room. Hope you join me. Please subscribe. F86 build coming soon. More and more videos. Okay, put this piece here. That didn't take long. Now, these here, this isn't even a nut. It's got like just little splines on it so you can grip it, a grip you might say. When I put this on, you want this still to be able to move, okay? Because the servo rod is going to be there. So, we'll put that like that. And I'm just, oh no, darn. Tip is, oh well. Put a new tip on the good old CA bottle. Okay. And just a little bit on the end of this. It really isn't tight. Okay, I put a very little on there. Okay? So that, oh man. That will hold that little screw on, and we can still leave it loose enough to turn. And I'm going to kick that just because, okay? Runs in, and there, I don't know if you can still see. I can still turn that freely, but that end isn't coming off because I CA glued it on. Okay, so now we got that done. That's the servo. Okay, they show you here where this should go. They surely don't show where you should cut. So, I'll make that in the center there. I'm going to take a nice sharp X-Acto knife. Go right through there. That should do that. Let's see, can we stick this through? Oh yeah. Okay, there. And it has a little clip for the back. But we have to epoxy this on. But, yeah, well, fine. Yeah, no, I'd feel safer if I put some epoxy on these. Let's see. Can I mix up just a little bit? I gotta put the servo in. But I don't want to do that yet. There's a wire issue here. It doesn't really tell you much about the wires. I do look at the instructions. Yeah. So you can see here, it does show you pause it if you need. Take a peek. But it shows you in here where the servo goes. It sticky tape it down. Shows you about the servo, but they do it backwards. Oh, I wonder why. Interesting. So, I did this wrong. See? Now I kicked that CA glue. I'm not going to be able to get it off. Oh. Yes. Just. So, as I take this off here, it says that this wire, I went one hole down and made it bigger, so that's good. This wire fits on the very outside one. And it's going to come now to my, oh, look at that angle, holy, well, we got to fix that, don't we? Man, oh man, it's just their Z-bend isn't very accurate here. I need a smaller pair of pliers. Smaller, where are you? There you go. Hey, get off there. Oh. So, get that fixed. This. Okay, so, now that should be better. Well, that's just it, eh? Okay, now in the instructions they say, see, read your instruction, guys. In the instructions they say that you want to put this piece on this one. So, let's do some test trying here. Oh, let's take it real quick. Which way they say that should go on? From the underside. From the underside. So that goes there. And that goes, yes, to this side. So we want this on this side. What hole do they say to put it in? Wow, the very outside one. So for the smallest amount of movement. Right? Now, I'm lucky, I have a drill. And do I want to go all the way out there? Yes. I will for now because that's where it tells me to put it. I might want more throw one day. But it is a chat. Let's hope it goes fast and the throw works good. Okay, so. See there, I put that backwards. This is going to go in that way and this is going to go on this side. So put it on this side. Put that on. Well, that doesn't want to go back on, does it? Okay, so I need some help. That's really tight now. Is that CA glue? That's okay. Because I'm not going to make this really tight on here. Wow. But that's so tight that that won't come off. That's a good thing. It really is. I don't want any play either though. Let's see how tight is that. Oh, how tight. There we go. Just a little bit of movement up and down. So that as the control rod moves, it'll move. There we go. So, now we know we gotta put glue in there and get that in. Okay, well, let's do that. Okay, wait, we won't do that. Move it that side for a second. And we're gonna take a look at how we're gonna run the wires for this receiver, or this servo receiver. Okay, first off, gotta cut a spot here. Well, can you guys see? Wait and come a little closer. Huh? Is that better? Oops, it's a little low. Right there. So I gotta cut a little bit of this out. Actually, I gotta cut a lot out. If I want my servo horn to be able to move both ways, I gotta have that cleared out. I don't know what servos they plan for you to use, but I'm telling you, they wouldn't fit. So, and I need a spot over here for my wire. Okay, now, wow, that fits down there nice, eh? Wow, really low in the wing. That's gonna fit up there to that. Good. Good deal. Now, where's that little panel? See? Wow. Interesting. That's not going to fit over the servo either. Wow, that big, that bigger. Okay, so my issue now is, I guess I'll cut my wire in there. Then they say they want to go on top of here. No way, I want to go through. What's there? That's the bombs. So I can go through there, I'm pretty sure. Rather than going through, I just cut in. Interesting. Okay, so for here, I'm not going to go very deep. So I'm going to go just deep enough to hide my servo wire. There. Okay. So it goes into there. Now, I know my bombs go on there. Kahlua, get out of there! My goodness, my cats. 1 second. Oh man, sorry about that. My cat. Oh. It's got stuck behind my desk. Okay, so we go. We're just going to cut this in quite deep. But I will put epoxy over that. Okay, so now to make it wide enough for that, what am I going to use? Something a little wider, not too wide. Not too wide, Randy. Maybe the end of this. Wouldn't that be good? Huh? Right depth. Right through. Okay, so we'll bring the wire. Come on, you guys. There we go. So I want head. Where the wire's in. Now, I will top that back up with epoxy there. Where that wire went through. Now, I think I go through 2 more here. And then out into here, there's a channel. And then out there. But, for that, I believe I need an extension. So, what do we do with extensions? Right. We shrink tube them. Some people tape them. Some people do whatever they want. I believe in the shrink tubing. I like my shrink tube. Okay. Well. go.